Hi, in today's video, we are going to talk about soul awareness or spiritual awareness. The moment I realized there's a bigger picture in the universe, somehow I started questioning everything that happens in life, broken relationship or death or some bad event, some accidents. I always felt that, what is the bigger picture? Why not in the present moment? Let's be more kind towards each other. Let's appreciate little thing that happens in life. And it doesn't happen in a day. So of course I can never say that spiritual awareness can happen in a day. It's a very bigger picture, and once you understand that bigger picture, then I think you start questioning the little things that happen in your life, and you have a different perspective to it. Spiritual awareness or soul awareness will basically help you understand yourself, question everything that happens around you, but a healthy questioning. I am not talking about questioning in terms of criticizing or pinpointing somebody. I'm just saying questioning in terms of understanding the core of little things that happen in life. For example, I'm not saying that earning money is not important. Of course, money is a very important part of our life. However, how we can balance our earning with being kind or with being consciously spiritually aware that it's not the only thing in life. Like earning money is not the only purpose in life. Our purpose is different. The money is going to help us lead a better life, so that we can understand the bigger picture, or so that we can find our purpose of life. Though I don't have a lot of technical words in terms of spiritual awareness, but I will love to share my own opinion on spiritual awareness. Since childhood, I've heard a lot of traditional terms and religious terms of enlightenment, heaven, moksha, and many more actually, which basically talks about life after death. And I remember as a child, we used to be told that you should be good so that you get heaven. You should not hurt somebody. You should be kind towards your nature, towards people, and be kind to yourself. Don't hurt anybody. And the moment I started growing up, I realized that the basic motive of teaching moral values, or these basic little life values, is that we understand the bigger picture in life is, or a coexistence of everybody that exists in our nature. Spiritual awareness is going to help you a lot to understand conflicts in your life, to understand the experiences you take in your life. We on a daily basis go through a lot, but only few events affect our life. And if you look more closely, the events that have happened in your past, or you are emotionally connected to, is only the event that create impacts on your brain. When we talk about spiritual awareness, it basically helps you understand the conflicts that happen in life. It helped me personally. I had a lot of conflict in terms of animal, protections. People are beating up animals, or they are not being generous towards animals. But then, if I go back and if I look a bigger picture, there is a lot of time we are not generous to even ourselves. We are not generous towards tree. So the animal is not just one issue. There are multiple issues that happen in the world. But what can I do? So my kind of awareness helped me understand that I can have a conflict, I can fight, I can maybe hurt myself thinking that people are bad and all of it, or either I look a bigger picture and understand that what is my role into that. What can I do maybe to protect the animals that I have? Or what is in my control? I cannot protect the whole universe, or I cannot alone protect all the animals in the world. But what can I do is that I be kind. I be kind to every individual that I meet, whether it's an animal, whether it's a human, that's an environment, anybody, or whether even it's an ant. What can I do? I can be generous to them. So I think the path of spiritual awareness helped me understand the bigger picture in life, helped me understand my role in this bigger universe. Spiritual awareness for me helped me cherish my individuality. It helped me cherish what I can do in this small lifetime. Yes, even through this video, I just want to say that meaning of spiritual awareness might be different for everybody. To narrow down, spiritual awareness is just one thing when we are consciously asking questions, and then we are being kind, and we are trying to find answers to it without hurting anybody, without criticizing anybody, without pinpointing anybody, rather than accepting people the way they are. For me, spiritual awareness is acceptance and asking questions that affects my life, that is going to affect my purpose, maybe my thinking in life. This is it for today. Thank you. Today we finish all our 4 aspects of self-awareness. From your mind, your body, your spirituality, your heart. Just watching these 4 aspects will help you be much more self-aware in your lifetime. And there's one tip that I would really like to give, because I have a very younger sister, and I always felt that I should tell my sister that it's not wrong if you learn something, if you learn all of this in a very early age. It's not really important that you turn 30 and then you have a kick, or you understand that, oh, life has a bigger meaning and I should learn or search for it. You can start at the age of 13-14 years also, it's fine. So if you can learn these skills at an early age, it might help you have a good, stable, balanced career life or career health life, and be internally happy